Welcome to my channel Travel Information. If you are come my channel, like, subscribe and share my video to your family, friends and relative. Today talking about Barcelona in Sagrada Familia in Park Güell full day tour, which located in Barcelona, Spain. This show duration is 8 hours, approximately. Pickup offered available in luxury car. You can book online ticket at $108.30. Best tour guide available in English, Spanish language. Lowest price guarantee. Reserve now and pay later. Secure your spot while staying flexible. Free cancellation. Up to 24 hours in advance. Hurry up, reserves booking online your journey and pay later after you enjoying. Booking link in this description below. You can check yourself and be okay. Overview. Get a taste for the top attractions in Barcelona during this small group excursion for a maximum of 8 people, covering the many highlights of the Catalan capital. Tour Passeig de Gràcia, an elegant boulevard that hosts a wealth of modernist architecture like La Pedrera and Casa Batlló.